My name is Debbie Oshiro, and this is my dog Cody's first birthday. Passion Roots coordinated this event. They took care of decor. We had menu cards, place cards, and it was French inspired and inspired by the store Fifi and Romeo, which is a store in Beverly Hills, and it's Cody's favorite store. We did a biscuit bar with sweet treats buffet, cheese, popcorn, sausage in a blanket, bacon strips, stuff like that. Their favorite. He invited 12 of his friends. I just wanted to invite some of my friends this year for his first birthday. Last year, my other dog Casey had her party, but it was kind of a small at-home party. This year, I kind of wanted something special for Cody.
Hi, I'm wondering how you like the party. Oh, I don't know.
I'm doing this because I love my dog so much, and he's such a great dog. And he's so friendly. He's a really, really loving dog. He's really sweet. He's a really sweet dog, really friendly.